Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for BMO student account. As a student, managing your finances effectively is crucial to achieving financial stability and security. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to help you make the most out of your BMO student account. First, it is essential to understand the benefits of a BMO student account. This type of account is designed specifically for students, offering features such as no monthly fees, unlimited transactions, and competitive interest rates. To open a BMO student account, you will need to provide proof of enrollment in a post-secondary institution and meet the bank's eligibility criteria. Once you have opened your account, it is crucial to set up online banking and mobile banking to manage your account efficiently. This will allow you to track your transactions, pay bills, and transfer funds remotely. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of any suspicious activity or low account balances. To manage your account effectively, it is recommended that you create a budget and track your expenses. You can use the BMO budgeting tool to categorize your expenses and set financial goals. It is also essential to prioritize your needs over your wants and make smart financial decisions. Another best practice is to take advantage of the overdraft protection feature. This feature will help you avoid overdraft fees and prevent your account from being overdrawn. You can also set up a savings plan to build an emergency fund and save for long-term goals. In addition to these best practices, it is crucial to protect your account from fraud and identity theft. You can do this by using strong passwords, keeping your account information confidential, and monitoring your account activity regularly. Finally, it is recommended that you review your account regularly to ensure that it is meeting your financial needs. You can do this by checking your account statements, reviewing your budget, and adjusting your financial plan as needed. In conclusion, managing your BMO student account effectively requires discipline, patience, and knowledge. By following these best practices, you can make the most out of your account, achieve financial stability, and set yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember to always prioritize your financial goals, protect your account, and seek help when needed. With the right knowledge and skills, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom.